Hi, my name is Niko Dubovsky, and I'm a co-founder at SuperCity AI. SuperCity brings city services, payments, and communications into one seamless mobile-first experience, making it easier for residents to interact with their cities in everyday life, whether that's paying a bill, reporting an issue, or just getting information in a matter of seconds. So back in 2024, we had strong early traction and a clear vision of what SuperCity could become, but we needed the right technical partner to actually build and scale the product. It was in those first conversations, what stood out to us was the need for a team that understood that this isn't just another app. It's a complex, multi-stakeholder system involving cities, residents, and a rather complex infrastructure, so it required both technical execution and strategic thinking. Well, some of our must-haves were a strong product thinking, reliability, speed, and the ability to operate as a true extension of our team. In other words, irregardless of where in the world is the team, we needed a partner who could move fast, but also think long-term, especially given the complexity of the government integrations. What made Touch for IT stand out was the fact that they didn't just execute tasks, but they were asking all the right questions, they challenged assumptions, and they helped shape the product in a meaningful way. That level of ownership was exactly the reason we made the decision, and that it was clear for us from the beginning. Since launching, everything has become much more real. We've gone from a concept and early discussions to actually being live with cities. We're processing payments and seeing residents and users interact with the platform. That shift gives us real usage data, real feedback, and a much stronger position when expanding to new cities. Because we're no longer pitching an idea, we are showing a working solution. So next for us is focusing on scaling and deepening the product. That means expanding into more cities, hopefully strengthening our payments infrastructure and continuing to build out the AI layer so that the residents can interact with their cities in a much more intuitive, conversational way. The long-term goal is to make SuperCity the default interface between people and their cities and their communities, and providing that link that can help build the bridges between the communities and the cities in which they live.